Of stabbing the South Point Elementary School principal, found guilty of attempted murder among other charges.
Lisa Feinstein was in the courtroom as the judge made the verdict, and she joins us live once again at the Lawrence County Courthouse with the details. Hey, Lisa.
Tim, Taylor, good evening. It has been a long and emotional day and a half here at the Lawrence County Courthouse. From yesterday, the witnesses, staff at South Point Elementary, all one by one going through minute by minute what they experienced that day in October to today, when a judge reached a guilty verdict for Joshua Collins for that day.
Each and every parent of every South Point student were panicked. They were panicked because the defendant, Joshua Collins, decided that he was going to go into the school and stab the school's principal.
Lawrence County Prosecutor Brigham Anderson giving closing arguments in the trial of Joshua Collins. The verdict: Collins was found guilty on 11 of 12 charges, including attempted murder, assault, showing a deadly weapon at a school, and kidnapping.
I think the court got the decision correct, and I'm happy with the judge's verdict. I think this gives the victims at the school some justice, and the kids at the school see that we take these very seriously. And you know, the actions of the defendant in this case were you know, horrendous. And fortunately, Mr. Christian survived, and it was an attempted murder, not a murder, because it easily could have been.
Defense attorney Richard Nash did ask the judge to acquit Collins of some charges, and the judge denied that request. Collins was found not guilty of one of the 12 charges, breaking and entering.
And that was based upon the structure being occupied, not unoccupied. So basically what the court was saying is that the higher offense, or the higher level offense of burglary, could have been charged, but it doesn't meet the statutory definition of breaking and entering.
Anderson says there was a lot of emotion in this case, as each witness had to describe in detail their memories of that day in October, including Principal Bill Christian himself, who said he is still recovering from his injuries from being attacked.
Bill Christian really is heroic in how he's handled the situation. You heard from him during his testimony yesterday how he couldn't wait to get back to his children. He thought it was important that he showed the children that he was okay and that they were okay. So he's truly a hero for those kids.
School staff members were on hand to hear the final verdict and to show support for their beloved principal. Now, this is one of those situations that really, for these staff members and for everyone involved, really never comes to a close, as Principal Bill Christian testified yesterday on the witness stand that he has some injuries that they're going to take him a really long time to recover from, and he may be recovering forever for those. So this is something that they're going to be dealing with and recovering from for a long time, but at least they get to turn one page in this book.
Okay. Hey, thanks, Lisa. And Collins, by the way, his sentencing is scheduled for May the 8th.